Thanks very much for putting up with me the past 7 years and willing to commit to more in the future.
Ladies and gentlemen, you are all very welcome here to the hotel for Fiona and Gerard's wedding. I would like to congratulate Gerard and Fiona on this big day.
What can I say? You've been a great girl. You've always been great. You've never caused Mum or me any problems, and for that we thank you. And there's not more I can say than that. And I'm going to sum it up by saying we love you loads, and we always will. And you'll never be anybody to us other than a little girl, and that's the way it is.
What can I say about Fiona other than like she's probably everything I'm not. She is smart, kind and very, very organised.
You are a decent, caring and genuine bloke. And there's not that many around that I'll say that about. But you're one.
Fiona and Gerard, you're about to celebrate this sacrament. Have you come here of your own free will and choice, and without compulsion, to marry each other?
We have.
We have. Gerard,
Wear this ring
wear this ring
as a sign of our faithful love,
as a sign of our faithful love.
in the name of the Father,
In the name of the Father,
and of the Son,
and of the Son,
and of the Holy Spirit.
and of the Holy Spirit.
Amen.
Amen.
Gerard and Fiona they're a really great match for each other, and they really complement each other really, really well. And we all wish you the best as you start the next chapter in your lives.
you've looked after Fiona so well since the first time you met her, and she's very lucky. You've really treated her as well as I could imagine anybody treating anybody. It's an absolute pleasure today to welcome you into our family.